Hey YouTube, it's Mike from Maker Moose here. I have been quite busy with some filming and everything. I have lots of videos to edit, so sorry I haven't had too many videos up recently. But first of all, I am doing an Instagram hop right now with Hollow Tree Hobbies and some of my fellow Canadian YouTubers. The giveaway is open to people both in the US and Canada, so check me out, Maker Moose DIY on Instagram or Hollow Tree Hobbies. If you look that up, that's the starting of the hop. I think you have until April 6th to enter by just following, commenting, and checking out the other projects. So, a couple things coming up soon. I did get the press plate from Pinkfresh, a couple of them actually, but this is the one I'm really excited to try. It's a Camellia's one, and it is designed in conjunction with Spellbinders for their Better Press system. So I'm really excited to give that a try and see how it compares to the ones I already have. I've also got a Heroescapes stamp set that I've done a couple different ways that I've got a different techniques to make that one a little bit different. I'm actually just opening up a present to myself. It was my birthday a couple days ago, but I did order this I think March 1st because that was the last day for there's an extra free gift, and first day of the month, my birth month, where I could get the birthday stamp as well. So and there's no pretty way to show this box. It's been labeled by Canada Post and I guess probably USPS on both sides, but always such a fun box to open from Lawn Fawn. Always lots of good stuff in here. So one of the things I have just the get that out of the way. I have the just I think it's a Ranger anti-static tool, and I've been seeing a lot of people using this cocktail embossing powder tool. So I did pick one of those up and a refill just to give it a try. I've been given lots of suggestions on cornstarch and all that kind of stuff, but I do like having something other than, especially that bag they have is almost out. This one I was really excited, glow in the dark cord. So I do have some other glow in the dark items, including Lawn Fawn's stencil paste. So I thought when I make tags or projects or anything like that, that could be really fun, or even with the Chibitronics. So here's a little some pattern paper here. As usual, I'm actually this I did order it, like I said, March 1st. But and it's been sitting around. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. So here is my happy birthday, my dear. You always get a free sentiment when you order. There's the party deer, which goes great with that sentiment. Stamp and die, which is nice. I can't remember if there's always a die included, but I do like that. And then what was the free gift? It might have been this guy right here. So it's kind of like their Simply Celebrate Critters set, but with veggies. Lots of cute little things there. So I have lots of sets that I can mix and match a lot of this stuff with. I do like the Turn Up the Beat one. Oh, actually, I have a 24 karat day. That's really cute too. Anyways, I got the You're Stinking Cute stamp and die here. I do have another skunk critter somewhere, and that's why a lot of times when I'm ordering from them, I'll order stuff that I've seen but I never picked up. Happy Easter. I really I should have opened this when I was doing that hop card, because I would have loved to have an Easter sentiment that was bigger than um, the one that I did end up using, but that's okay. That's my bad. That was on me. It's been sitting around for a while. I did also get this just plain awesome sentiment trails, because I have been doing a lot more. I do have just plain awesome, but I also have there was a freebie, and that's funny because freebie stamp set with a bear in a beekeeper's costume, and I thought that would be great for that. And then I got the foxes before and after, and I can't remember why, because I could have sworn I already had this. I know I have a couple before and afters, but maybe I don't have that one. But yeah, so that was my little birthday haul to myself. I thought, you know what, I might as well. I was going to get rid of the packaging. I said I might as well just do this, use this on camera for the first time, to let you know what I think of it. Because, like I said, I only got it because I've seen so many other people using them, and it seems to work well. So with both caps on, give the tool a couple pumps to get the powder flowing. Is that? Oh, no. Okay, so that must be this one here. Okay. Remove top cap and check to see if you can see a little spot of powder. So I'm actually gonna open that up. Like that. And yes, I see a little bit of powder. I did just get this Hero Arts rain stamp here. Just going to. Okay. Okay. So this is top. Oh, we're good. It's another color. Oh. I'm gonna go around halfway here. Just lightly blend out. Buddy, wanna come out? Let me help you. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. I got you. Oh, buddy. Everyone say hi to Larry. He's a nuisance. Larry. Hey, buddy. Say hi. He's having none of this. Okay. All right. So now we've got midnight snack here. Going for that real dark sky look. Stormy, cloudy. I kind of want it to be a little uneven. I'm going to go in with a, not right at the bottom, but a little bit mid. I'm just going to go in as if we had some kind of clouds. I do have a little bit of a double imprint here, but that's because of the way I applied the brayer. The moment I put it down, I was like, oh, I just smudged it a little bit. But it really that tool seemed to have done its job really well where I didn't smudge it. One of my goals this year is to not leave things unused for an extended period of time, because if I'm buying them and not using them, probably means I don't need it. I didn't have a rain stamp. I did have a couple rain embossing folders. By a couple, I think one. I think it was Spellbinders one. Actually, part of this Showered with Love. The same. Actually, yeah. So I should have that whole set out here. There we go. Yeah, this raindrops folder. Really fun for Mr. Rain Duck over here. Also part of that. This one I used so much last year. You can probably tell by the amount of extra pieces that I have in there. This was adorable. This little guy with this little umbrella. I've used it with and without. He also comes with like a raincoat and like some slickers and a little rain hat there. So I used that with this quite a bit, and I absolutely loved it, especially on some mirror cardstock, some iridescent cardstock. And this one is that one that I used here for the Instagram hop. But again, you have until April 6th, I believe, to enter. Go to Instagram, check out Hollow Tree Hobbies. I will link their Instagram below, or check out my Instagram, and I'll have a post there that links to everyone in the hop. But this is a really fun set. You can see I have some extra. This one's going to get used a lot this year. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.